Hey there, crypto-curious folks. If you've been eyeing Bitcoin but aren't ready to dive into the world of wallets and exchanges, the iShares Bitcoin ETF might be your perfect entry point. In today's video, I'm walking you through exactly how to buy it, step by step. Let's get started. First off, what's the iShares Bitcoin ETF? It's a fund created by BlackRock that tracks the price of Bitcoin, allowing you to invest in it just like a stock. This means you can buy shares through a regular brokerage account without dealing with the complexities of cryptocurrency itself. Its ticker symbol is IBIT, and it's traded on major exchanges like Nasdaq. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't personalized advice. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research or consult a professional. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. If you don't have one already, platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood make it easy. Just sign up, verify your identity, and link your bank account. This usually takes a few minutes to a couple of days. Step 2. Fund your account. Once you're set up, transfer money from your bank to your brokerage. Start with an amount you're comfortable with. Remember, Bitcoin can swing wildly. Step 3. Search for the ETF. Log into your brokerage app or website, go to the search bar, and type in IBIT for iShares Bitcoin ETF. Make sure you're looking at the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Place your order. Decide how many shares you want to buy. Prices fluctuate, so check the current value. Choose market order for immediate purchase or limit order to set your price. Confirm and execute, and just like that, you're in. Keep an eye on your investment through your brokerage dashboard. To sell, simply reverse the process. Remember, the crypto market moves fast, so stay informed with reliable news sources. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's navigate this exciting world together. See you next time.